What's up? What's up? Randy. Welcome.
A little wiring. Let's get the car back running because it's been parked for what? Maybe 10 years?
More than that.
I mean 10 years. The full drive engine got damaged and basically replicated the full drive engine. And it's all good.
Well,
Just need some seat time. The new owner, Brandon King. Richie, nephew?
yeah, man. This car actually won December Rally.
Yeah.
We were part of a team, Ravis Motorsport Armis. I was one of the members that started the team. Stratty King as the general, the leader back then. Andrew Forsyth, myself, Richie of course, Rory King, Tully Perrin, yeah man, Chippy, Leslie Madden, what we call Fatas. Nice little family group, and we won every title: Dexterity Championship, Rally Championship, Print Championship. This was when the Team Obey started and the Armis, the Monthly Mountain Club split, and they parted. And as you know, the King family with Brandon now is like fourth generation or third
And
generation. And Reina. You know that Darrell was before.
Yeah, Darrell.
But Rory, father, Reina, one of the actually founders of motorsports back in the West End. I mean, he drove for Pantan and Stratty, Bram, national football player. Yeah man, he was a rookie player. They built cars. When I started in '98, I started out with Ray Motorsport with Richie. Yeah man, Richie built my starter.
Well, I mean, Richie, obviously a Subaru man, and somebody I look up to, and I mean...
He was always a Subaru man.
Yes, you know, and I went to his place, their place down by Glistening Waters on that side, when they had a Subaru link up, and which was there and I had the car, and I just would see the dexterities and thing, and you know, I never had a contact with him, and who would have known that 10 years after I'd be working on the
General.
car, you know?
General,
yeah, man. Big up Richie.
One of the best ever driver in Jamaica. And his dad was a wicked driver too, but it's a whole family, whole heritage. Coming back down from Richie's father, Reina, Stratty, Bram, all the way down, and now Brandon. Brandon is eager and Brandon is ready. And I'm hungry.
He should be a smooth in him and him waiting for Montego Bay because I told him I finished with the clutch and thing, so he should be ready.
One big family man. So
good people.
Sure there. Yeah man.
Good people. Good people, you know?
We come to talk to you. We want to know about April 10th. How has that been? But we want to go back before we reach there. On year review on how you view Dover. It was my first year organizing. Actually my first year really, because from 2020, COVID, it was our first
year.
The first years. We're doing something new this year. The board has taken the direction, and one of the mandate that I've mandated the board and Kedron that we're gonna, between now and October, we're gonna reach out to all racers. How did you perform, and what are you coming with this year? I know that in your class, Doug was the champion, and he is the man turning over. But you have quite a few youngsters with young Matthew Lee, young Gordon, Jamie James. The class, the increase of the MP4, where that is what my car is looking really appealing to much. And I know you had gone through some upgrade with the gearbox. You had some issues, so I wonder, where are you at now?
Well, right now I repaired the gearbox. I lost the rear diff in the third race meet. I lost the center diff in the last race meet. That's why I had to retire. Obviously, you know about sequential box. Parts for that not so available.
Yes, and not cheap.
And then come from far. So I didn't get to put everything back together. I have it all in the pipeline. I didn't get to put everything back together. But the car is well, the engine is well, and we'll be competing. Last year we had a lot of upgrades to do, you know, just coming back off COVID and everything. I mean, the car was, I would say, old tech. You know, we have, as I say, we have the gearbox now put in, and we have the new suspension I got on the last race meet. I dropped 3 seconds off my time. You know, still kind of getting used to it. You know, trying to get back into the racing groove. You know, I've been driving all year, but without the suspension, I really couldn't trust the car. So now I can, and that's where I lost the time, or I should say gain. But I hope to do better this year. Hope to be more competitive this year. You know?
One of the questions that I'm asking also regarding yourself. If you can put the drag engine in the circuit car, we want to see Swiffy go fast, I can go fast at Jamaica and Vernon. They want to know. I want you to answer this on camera. I ask a question. Such man, I ask a question now. See the man here, the Subaru God. He wants to know, is Swiffy going to come with the high-powered machine, or him just still learning the car?
Well, I still learn the car, but this is a means of fun for me, right? Horsepower is a nice thing to have, but at Dover, too much of it, you know, it's not very useful. But nonetheless, you know, just to please people, I have requested that I get the drag engine to borrow.
Yeah.
So,
question answered.
You get
okay.
I mean,
so you know April
the drag car is here, you know? So
yeah. We have to look at that.
Oh, so the 9-second engine is going into the
900 horses are here.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
So I mean, you know, just for the heck of it, we might.
Well,
you know,
the fans have been asking, not one. The fans been asking, and as you see, this all going around the garage and a lot of Subaru lovers. Big up everyone them still, you know? You know where my heart is. Yeah?
Big up my friend Sheldon.
We're going to Sheldon next. But I guess, I don't know, because your reputation has gone fast, always. There are people expecting you to be blinding fast all the time. And as you explained that, circuit racing is not about the straight, you have to also corner. And at Dover, 13 corner and 2 straightaways, so yeah, you have to turn corner. You corner more than you go straightaway. But I think what they're saying that, especially with Jamie James' car, and now the Jamaica ever in that class, and Matthew Lee is there. He's ready.
And he's perfect.
Yes. They're expecting to boy, Swiffy turn up the car. So I think they're going to get what they've been asking for on April 10th. The big bad Swift is back.
Back with more power.
More power.
A lot more.
What are your views now on the 2-track? The 2-track, the 5 meets for the year.
More racing is always good. I mean, obviously racing is expensive, but I mean, more racing is always good. We all love to race, that's what we're in it for the fun of it and the competition and the points, you know, towards our standing. So more races mean more availability of points, you know, more chances. Some may not make that event, and maybe that's to your advantage, you know, maybe it's your disadvantage if you can't make it. I understand that, I mean, you can't tell anybody. But I like the difference in track because some cars are more suited for Dover and some more suited for Jamaica. Right. You know, my Jamaica experience has shown me that the smaller cars, you know, the MP2s, MP1s, you know, the IP cars, they really can maintain more speed at Jamaica because the corners are sweeping and not so sharp, you know. I think it's only a hairpin and another deep corner. And the drivers love it because it's a faster circuit, you know, your average speed is higher. So it's just a change, and I mean, change is good, you know, it's something else to, another proving point, another place to compete, and I like that. I mean, like a variety is good. You know?
Well, with 900 horsepower, you would like it.
Yes, I mean, I know that straight away very well. Yeah, it never take me too long. So, I like that. I like the way the racing is going. I really appreciate, you know, you coming around and you're interviewing the drivers and giving everybody a little shine, a little show. I respect that, you know, the one-on-one, you know, that's good. And to tell you the truth, racing is coming back, you know, to its glory, to what it used to be. And I just glad I can afford to be a part of it right now, you know, and I just can't wait till first race week, I can't wait till next week.
And we're happy to have you. Any new sponsor? I know you have the biggest sponsor right now.
Fesco.
You're a big man.
Big sponsors, Fesco. Big up Fesco.
Always.
Get me here again.
We're happy to have a company like Fesco have interest in racing, because it says a lot that this is what we're working for. We're working for as a collective group that the drivers, you drivers that are dedicated to a schedule per year to direct sponsors your way. And by dealing with corporate and dealing with sponsors, I am encouraging that. For this year, I must say, whenever that corporate Jamaica is now called it. So it is a good sign. And as you will see, come April 10th, that more cars with corporate badges are on there. But we want to just use this forum to shout out to corporate Jamaica that motor racing is expensive, and we have a lot to offer. We're recovering from COVID, and I can tell we have recovered. Dover is on a high, and there's multiple sponsorship possibilities, as in sponsoring Dover, the brand, sponsoring the driver, which we know are endorsing. We're not only asking for Dover sponsorship, but we're asking for Jam West, and we're asking for the drivers. Now, we have put in time into our Super Street, and we have put Peter here at the helm, and it's bearing fruit. We have 9 new drivers, 2 new ladies. We're working for the betterment of motorsport and the growth and the sustainability.
Yeah, I mean, I think that's good. I mean, I did Super Street too. At the time it was IP45. I did that too. And many of my friends from drag racing, you know, we all migrated and came across and did that. Big up Charles, Maxwell, Raymond, Salad, you know yourself. You know, we all did that, and I mean, it's just the elementary, you know, the
fundamentals.
Fundamentals, you know what I mean? To get into racing. I mean, as you say, corporate Jamaican sponsorship it's a big team because racing is expensive. And I mean, you know, not just fuel companies like Fesco or Total or Texaco, you know? I mean, I have another sponsor, Complete Shipping Services. That's, you know, the freight forwarder, you know? And I mean, they bring in all my parts, you know? And I mean, their prices are affordable, obviously. Because parts are expensive, you know, and we get to you know, have these parts available in time, you know. CSS has really been good to me for years. I mean, even before circuit racing, I mean, with the drag car, I bring a whole engine in. I brought the whole sequential box through them.
Nice.
You know, a big hefty piece. And I mean, they brought in short time from, I think it was Czechoslovakia or somewhere, wherever it was.
Wow.
And it came to me in record time to get it up and ready, you know. So I like to big up, you know, Fesco and Complete Shipping Services. You know, they really help to keep the car on the track.
And,
you know?
and when I said corporate Jamaica, I don't mean Fortune 500. I mean the mom and pop, the beginners, because we have
Alfred Chen.
We have
Big up them on
four new sponsors, and you guys will see the difference, and the club will see the difference. And just want to know that GRDC, we're doing our best to make racing affordable, to make it safe, competitive. And April 10th, I think that we have grown, and come out and see Swiffy and everybody else. We're gonna put on a show.
Yes, that's for sure.
You guys will be running with the Radical again. I don't know how much we will be there, so we're hoping that even too. No, racing will go on.
Yes, yes,
And-
for sure,
and-
for
and-
sure.
and-
Was there before the Radical?
Yes, and I've always said this. I mean, we've been through several different series at Dover. I was part of the Mavic series. I was part of the whole Evolution group at Dover after the Masters. And
There was a Suzuki Club before.
right, and we lived through that. But it's a pleasure. We're in Kingston, and the journey was worth it. Always a pleasure. I've always admired you as an individual, as a racer, as a father, as a son. I've met your mother, and I just want you to keep on doing what you're doing, because we do appreciate you, and your fans appreciate you. Even if they don't tell you, they tell us, because we're out in the boy at Dover. When Swiffy come back, when you get a car, bad enough, when you know Subaru or something like that, and thing. But I think you're on the cusp of winning. I think you need to stick with it.
Yes.
Understand? And we do appreciate you doing what you're doing for the next generation in a different genre of rallying.
Yes.
And you were drag racing. So you're
But all forms of, I mean, motorsport, the Subaru's competing now. I mean, with the rally now, I mean, now venturing that for the first time. And I've asked to do other rally cars before, but the Kings, take me on, and that's good. The drag cars, I have many customers.
Show me the drag car. Show me the drag car.
Drag car kind of.
No man, just show me the drag car. When I ask you to show me, we're not like that.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.